This equipment is designed for thermal pressure bonding of large insulated paper tubes in transformer industry. It is a special processing equipment for hot pressure bonding and molding of the insulated paper cylinder under a certain pressure and temperature conditions. Thickness of the bond paperboard, 1.5 to 6 mm. Length of the bond paperboard, 2000 mm. Maximum width of the bonding interface, 140 mm. Hot bonding paper tube diameter range, 400 to 2000 mm. Hydraulic system rated pressure, 6 ampere. Electric heating, the workpiece bonding temperature, 70 C to -110 C, is adjustable. Welcome to contact us for more information about our insulation material making machines.